Everyone, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food plant-based no oil cooking videos. And today the star of the show is zucchini. I'm going to show you how to make a very flavorful zucchini stir fry. So let's first look at the ingredients for this zucchini stir fry. Of course, I have this green zucchini. The darker the zucchini, the better it is in terms of nutrition as well. So we have zucchini, one medium zucchini. I have some cinnamon, some poppy seeds, bay leaf, pumpkin seeds, green cardamom, cloves, black pepper, and some coconut. I have lightly toasted these spices and nuts, and I have also taken some date sugar to add just a little bit of sweetness and pull all the flavors together. Along with this, I'm going to add some turmeric and cayenne. So all these nuts, seeds and spices are lightly toasted. So I'm going to grind them into a powder, and then we'll start making our zucchini stir. So I have ground up all my seeds and the spices together into this fine powder, and it smells absolutely wonderful. One ingredient I forgot to mention was adding a little bit of garam masala. Garam masala is a nice blend of all different like 16-18 different spices, and is going to add another layer of flavor to this dish. So we are going to start as usual by warming up our pot without any oil and making the tadka, which is blooming of the mustards and everything. So the mustard is going to start popping, and while mustard is popping, I'm going to talk a little bit about what zucchini is and what are some of the health benefits. So zucchini is a summer squash and is a member of a gourd family. Now I have chopped this zucchini into these big squares, and the reason of chopping it into big cubes is it is very high in moisture, water, so it's going to shrink quite a bit. And as soon as the mustard is done cracking, rather crackling, I'm going to add the zucchini pieces into it. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of salt, but you can skip this step, especially if you're dealing with high blood pressure, diabetes, or any kind of cardiovascular disease such as any heart health issues. So, and again, you don't need a whole lot of salt for zucchini because it already has plenty of moisture. And I'm going to cook this partially covered just for 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want to overcook it because it's going to otherwise gets really mushy. So this zucchini now is half cooked. As I mentioned, we don't want to cook it too much. And now I'm going to add the bay leaf first. Now while I'm adding the bay leaf and adding the spices, I'm going to add even some more of my nut and seed and spice powder. This was a lot of zucchini. I took 4 medium zucchinis, but I always cook in bulk. That is another important thing about eating healthy, is you want to plan and make sure that you have extra food always ready. If you're cooking one time, make sure you are cooking it for at least extra 1 or 2 meals, because that's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of agony in terms of, oh my God, what should I eat every day to eat for meals, so on and so forth. And the last but not the least health property of zucchini is is it contains some special anti-inflammatory compounds. I'm going to now add a little bit of this red cayenne. This particular cayenne is spicy, as well as it adds a little bit of color. Okay, so the last but very important property of zucchini is it contains vitamin A, C, glutathione, perioxidase, and superoxide dismutase. Now these two compounds gives zucchini, these two compounds are in the skin of the zucchini, and therefore you should eat zucchini with its skin on. Never ever peel the zucchini, because like I said, these two compounds, glutathione perioxidase and superoxidase dismutase, are specifically found in the skin of the zucchini. Now all the spices are in, and I'm going to cover this again for a few minutes. And just before covering, I'm going to add a little bit of the date sugar. Again, you don't have to add. I'm just going to add just maybe half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of it, just to tie the spiciness and the earthiness of all the flavors. And this zucchini is going to cook for another just couple minutes. You don't want to make it too soggy. As you can see, this is halfway done. I just want the spices to marinate really well. Okay, it's been almost 10 minutes or so, and this zucchini curry is done. It has steamed really well, and it smells amazingly well, amazingly delicious. So this nutty, creamy, savory zucchini stir fry is done. Zucchini, as I mentioned in the video, is packed with variety of nutrients which are going to help you with weight loss, diabetes, heart disease, keep your blood pressure down, and help with your GI issues if you have any. Again, please send me your comments, suggestions, questions, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Briefly talk about the health benefits of eating zucchini. So as I said, zucchini is a summer squash, very high in water. You can even see here how much moisture it has released, and hence really very low in calories. So it's a very calorically friendly vegetable. Is high in fiber, and I have noticed that people with digestive health issues tend to tolerate zucchini much better than broccoli and cauliflower type of vegetables. The other health benefits of eating zucchini is it is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and both antioxidants and phytonutrients help remove the oxidative radicals and excess inflammation. Zucchini also is high in potassium and fiber, and that particular combination is very important to lower your blood pressure and improve the functioning of your heart. So that is another health benefits. Then it helps with eye health because it contains again some vitamin C, beta carotene, manganese, zeaxanthin, and lutein. These nutrients are good for eye health. It can boost energy because zucchini, believe it or not, has B vitamins, and B vitamins are required for metabolism as well as energy production. So that's another health benefit of eating zucchini. And the last but not the least health property of zucchini is it contains some special anti-inflammatory compounds.